Hey guys, Mary Languish here. Welcome back to my channel. The holidays are around the corner, guys, and today I want to talk with you about specific gifts to get that beginning or budding artist in your life. And a lot of times the question is, what the heck do I buy them? I feel like it's quite intimidating for people to buy supplies or buy things for an artist. So I want to clear up some of that and give you some suggestions on things you can purchase for that artist that you know. It's never a bad idea to just kind of ask generally, see what they want, what they need, what they've used material-wise, to kind of get a better idea of what they might be interested in. First thing I want to talk about is Prismacolors. Prismacolors are one of the best colored pencil brands out there. I recommend this brand to everybody. Obviously, the bigger the set, the more expensive it is, but man, opening a big set of Prismacolor pencils is the best. They're buttery, they're soft, they're usable with lots of different mediums. They're just super bright and vibrant. Highly recommend Prismacolors. Second is Micron pens. Now you may have seen these. They come in lots of different sizes. You can get them in different colors, but they're really great with water because they don't bleed, don't blend, and because of their different sizes, brush pens, small tips, all these different things, you have so much that you can do with these Micron pens. I use them a lot for Inktober every year. Huge benefits to these pens. Love them to death. They work great on most papers. It's an awesome gift. Another fun thing to kind of think about to get you thinking outside the box a little bit is that even though your artist friend might have a lot of art supplies, they may not have a travel kit. So this could be a travel watercolor palette that has a reservoir brush with it, and a small watercolor pad or sketch pad is great for that. Anything small, compact that can be put in a suitcase or a backpack for traveling is an awesome gift. Super fun. I've gotten some of these as gifts as well. Love. They also do sell empty palettes, so if your artist tends to use oil paint, it's a great option as well. Another thing you can try is watercolor in tubes. Now, a lot of times the watercolor cakes are more popular, especially if you've got a beginning artist or an artist that's just kind of starting out. Oftentimes the palettes of watercolor tend to be the way to go, but for something different for them to try and it feels more professional is to get out the watercolor paint tubes. These can come in lots of different colors. You can often buy them single colors or in a set. Great options there. Next thing is probably one of my favorites, and it's metallic watercolors. These do come in, at least the brand that I've bought, which is the Paul Rubens set of metallic watercolors, comes in cake form, little palettes full of the color. But this is great. This is a fun one for any artist. It just adds the touch of sparkle, touch of shimmer to your paintings, and just a lot of fun to play with. If you want a twist on the classic colored pencil, you can purchase watercolor pencils. These are fun because obviously you can add water to them, like dip the pencil in water or brush water over the colored pencil after you're done. Lots of fun playtime with this stuff. Highly recommend that to any artist that's kind of just playing around, trying new things. It's a great one. And of course, you cannot go wrong with a set of drawing pencils and drawing supplies. Beginning artists tend to stick with their one mechanical pencil and some printer paper, right? But why not gift them a whole set of bunch of different values of pencils, some charcoal pencils, some fancy erasers, and like you can't go wrong with that, and that is a lot of fun to receive as a gift. The creative juices just start flowing. And then last but not least, I know for me, when I was a beginning artist, young artist, I really enjoyed getting like an easel with canvases and paint and brushes. Like that whole set together was probably one of the coolest things. A lot of times these are the types of things that an artist might not invest in yet, especially early on in their journey, because it's a little bit more expensive, and it makes a great gift, and there's lots of thrifty ways to put together a set or a kit like this yourself. But it's definitely the dream for an artist to open on Christmas Day. So I hope you guys found this list of supplies for the beginning or budding artist in your life helpful. The links for these supplies are down in the description below if you want to go check those out for yourself. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this with a friend who might also be interested in purchasing art supplies for a friend as a gift, and happy shopping. Bye.